Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today's video we're talking about Titano Finance. This is a website that I came across about just over a week ago. I saw a few videos on YouTube talking about this website and I done some research. I found it very interesting and I decided to jump in on the project. We'll just quickly run through the website for you and tell you how everything works, and if you guys are interested in that, then you can do your own research and see if that's the right fit for you. So anyway, just before we get into it, this is not financial advice, so I'm just explaining what I have found to you guys, so please do your own research. And if you guys like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos, and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I do drop more videos. So this is Titano.finance. So it's basically the first auto staking and auto compounding protocol. It's not one of a kind anymore. There are a few more out there that I will make videos on, but this one was the first one that I came across, and I think it's a rather new, interesting idea in terms of staking, and I quite enjoy it. I think it's very low risk if you're all about risks and stuff like that. So basically the easiest way to explain this is that it has a very large APY, over 102,000%, which is insane. Drops rewards every 30 minutes, so roughly about 48 times a day that you will get paid out into your account. So basically you just buy the token and you hold it in your wallet, and that's it. You don't have to stake it anywhere. You don't have to lock it up or anything like that. You don't have to do anything. You just buy and hold the token, and that's the whole point of the automatic staking and automatic compounding, which I think is very low risk, even considering the price of the token, which is roughly around 14 cents at the time of this recording. So obviously, when you're investing into projects like these, you're investing money that you can afford to lose. So this is the risk that you're taking. So I would never recommend putting in your life savings into projects that every project has the potential to fail. So please keep that in mind when you're investing your money. So yeah, this here is the... They also have a section here for Titano Play. Now, I will say that recently, in the last 2 weeks, I think, or 3, there was a hack in the play and win section of this project. Sorry, the project. There was a hack. It was an internal hack. I've been listening to the AMAs and stuff like that for Titano. I'm in their Discord. They were easily caught, and all the money was given back. All the holders were repaid and everything, so it was like a very quick fix. I think in a matter of about 2 weeks it was all fixed up and cleared up. Anyway, here you go. This is, I mean, it's the big deal here. It's like at the end of the year, with $1,000 of USD of Titano invested, you could earn up to $1 million. Now that is insane returns, and it's very skeptical, obviously, but do your research and you can potentially earn a lot of money with this, with the tokenomics here. So it's based on people buying and selling. Okay, so they have a percentage that they take. It's a bit like SafeMoon and stuff like that, where a percentage is taken from the initial buy and sell and then distributed amongst the holders and into the treasury and stuff like that. So that's how you earn more tokens. So basically, if we just go over here to the dashboard, you can see here the market cap is about 112 million, so it's very low, which is for me good. Because it's like you're jumping into the project early. I think Titano Finance is very new. I mean, the price is 14 cents right now at the time of recording. Yeah, so you connect your wallet here. You can use MetaMask. So if you or Wallet Connect, whatever you choose a choice. So you connect with your wallet there, and if you go to account, see here, they also have a calculator which you can determine how much you could potentially earn. So my initial investment was around $700. I added another 100 the other day, so I'm already up 180 in just over a week, but that is due to yes, the interest earned daily, but also the price of the token going up. So I bought in at around 11 cents. Now we're up about $180, which is very good for just over a week. I'm surprised in that. The price of the token hasn't even dropped that much since the last few weeks with the crash of the market and stuff like that. It hasn't followed suit with the rest of the coins. So it did drop a little bit, but it went back up. So now we're up 3 cents, which is really good. So you can see here your ROI from 5 days is around $86 US. Again, this is all based on people buying and selling. If you jump into their Discord, you can see the amount of people that are really in tune with this project. I myself am very in tune with this project. I think it's a great project. I hope that it lasts and it boosts. You can check them out on Twitter here, and you can see all of their they have about 20,000 followers, which is good. And the other day, where was it? Yeah, 20,000 members. I just hit their Discord, so that's 20,000 people that are fully invested into Titano Finance. So that's really good. This is, and then you can check on the calculator here. So if you were to, let's start with, okay, it says my initial investment is 880, but that's at current. So, but we'll go off with that. So after 30 days, you can potentially earn $1,548. That's with the interest earned, and that does not include the price going up, because as you can see here, the Titano price at current, at the purchase price, and then the future purchase price. So if the coin if the token was to stay at 14 cents, this is what you would get after 30 days. If we jump forward to a 6-month mark, so about 180 days, you can see the earnings growing massively, upwards 20,000, which is kind of unbelievable. But again, we'll wait and see. That's with my initial investment of about $700, but this is at this price here. So this is starting today. For 6 months from today, it would potentially be $26,000 at today's current token price with this APY here. So, and again, I purchased, I think, somewhere around 4,500 tokens, and now it's grown. So the tokenomics is kind of similar to something of SafeMoon, where tokens are distributed into my account. So that's how I'm earning my interest. So getting more tokens from people buying and selling. So yeah, that is pretty much it. You can also swap. If you were to buy some Titano Finance tokens, you can buy them here on their website. Otherwise, you can go straight to Pancake Swap, which is where they're 100% on their platform, on their exchange. So you can exchange BNB for Titano. I found it a lot easier on here on the website. With Pancake Swap, I had a few difficulties with the slippage. So, but if you just adjust your slippage, I think I adjusted mine to 20% to be able to change BNB for Titano on Pancake Swap. Whereas when I came here, it was an instant swap. I had no issues at all. I just dropped in how much BNB I wanted to swap, and then it changed over for me. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That is the video that I wanted to. It's not a full jump into Titano Finance, like a full review, but this is just after a week of investing into it. You can see their white paper here. It tells you everything about the auto staking protocol. So if you guys want to get more in depth, then you can jump onto their white paper and fully read everything that they have to offer here. It's all written down here. And I think that if you were to jump into this, you guys should read this. I've read most of this, so that's why I jumped into the project. I found it very interesting, and I hope that it lives up to what it says it's going to do. So yeah, that's it, guys. If you guys want a more in-depth video about Titano Finance, please let me know in the comments below, and I will do that. I'm going to do another full review after probably about 2 months, or maybe a full month, we'll see. And I'll probably do one after about a month. We'll do one full month, and then I'll let you know how we go. I think it was 30 days, 1,500. So if I have 1,500 in my account, after 30 days, I'll do a full review, or a month's review anyway. Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you guys like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It would really help me out, and I really appreciate it. And hit the bell notification so you get notified when I drop more videos. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.